Well, hello, I'm the Rifter, and welcome to yet another amazing tech tutorial. I had something happen to me yesterday that I finally thought I could make a tutorial on and make it make sense fairly quickly. No doubt some of you have gone through an issue like this where, whoops, come on, work with me. Your power options. After an update, this little guy right here, high performance, disappears. And you've no doubt searched the internet and just gone crazy looking for a way to get it to show back up. There is a way. There is a way to get it to show back up. Don't worry, I will feed you, baby birds. I have no doubt that you've typed in everything after going into command prompt, and it is something you actually type into command prompt, but we'll get there. It's not hard to do. The first thing I actually did was go into my registry editor, and it's kind of hard to find, so I've already got it pulled up. And I wanted to make sure that they actually exist. You know, there's one of them's balanced, one of them's Dell, and this one's high performance, 8C5E7FDA. That's the high performance mode. I wanted to make sure that scheme was actually on my computer and it just hadn't been erased, which it hadn't. So I know you're gonna get videos that say, type this in, type that in to get it back. Well, I typed in the one that said duplicate power scheme and it's crap. It does not work. I'm sorry, but your videos don't work. It may have worked at one point, but now there's a new problem in town. And I did put this in a text file because reasons. There we go. So this is going to be put in the command prompt, and I will put this in the description down below, because why would you have to memorize all of that crap? Hey, there's Corbin peeking out from behind the window. Anyway, after an update, Windows just said, hey, I'm going to do whatever I want. And don't worry, that little exclamation point, that's nothing to worry about. I'm actually just using a different power supply because I've got 3 monitors hooked up and one of them's vertical, and it's telling me that my power supply is 10 watts less than the 100 watt power supply that came with my Dell. So that's all it's saying. I really don't want to do this again, but I guess I will for science. We're going to go to Dell. Close this. Hopefully this didn't disappear. It did. It disappeared. Okay. God, I hate that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Well, I'm glad I was able to duplicate the problem. I hate that, but you need to click your start button and just type CMD and then run as administrator. You'll have to click the do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. That's when you're going to copy and paste this. What this does is if you just type powercfg // it gives you a list of what this switch will do, and that's what these are called, or at least they were called switches back in DOS, and that's what I'm still going to call them. So you can either type in /set active or /s, and it makes power scheme active on your system. And that's why I went in to my registry editor and just tried to check and see if the power scheme is still on there. And it is on there, it's just hidden. I don't know why Windows wants to hide that crap, but they're hiding it. So we're going to go back down here. We're going to do the copies and the pastes. You can paste with right click in here. So when I did this last night, my screen immediately got brighter and everything went back to the way it was supposed to be. So you're not going to see any kind of confirmation, but if you go back into your power options, there it is. And you all saw it. I put it on Dell, and high performance just decided to stop. It just went away to the wind, to the magical land of fairies and elves. I don't know. I don't know why it did that. I don't care. But if you can't get it to show up with the little duplicate scheme windows, you can actually you can force Windows to set the high performance power plan back on your system. Which, if you want to go into the registry editor and see if it's still there, again, I will put what you're supposed to type down there. This long thing right here, that is the high performance power plan in Windows 10. Now there is an ultimate performance in Windows 10 Pro. I'm on home, so I don't have access to that power plan. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like the new intro. 1,142 people subscribed. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.